Hello and welcome back to Canbook. In this video, we'll learn how to add a calendar, an important step in setting up your business. Even if you're new to this feature, don't worry. We'll go step by step. What is a calendar in Canbook? A calendar is simply a person or place that can receive bookings. For example, in a salon, a calendar can be for each staff member. In a sports center, it could be for a court, turf, or room. Adding calendars tells Canbook who or what is available and helps keep schedules organized. Why adding a calendar is important. Every staff member or court gets their own schedule. Clients will only see available slots for that specific calendar, helping avoid double bookings and confusion. Go to the Calendars section from your main dashboard, open the Calendars section. Here you'll see your existing calendars. Click Add Calendar to create a new one. A simple form will appear. Fill calendar details. Image, optional. Add a photo of the staff or court for quick identification. Calendar name, for example, Neha, hairstylist, or Court 1. Description, optional. Add short notes like facial specialist or indoor turf. Setup availability, you'll see a toggle called custom availability. If it's off, the calendar follows your business hours. Turn it on to set different working hours. You'll see a weekly schedule, Sunday to Saturday. You can turn any day off by deselecting it. Click the edit icon to change timings for that day. You can modify start or end time, add multiple slots, or remove slots completely. Choose Save for that day, or apply to all days to copy the same schedule across the week. Click Save, and your new calendar will appear in the list. From here you can turn the calendar on or off as needed, edit or delete it anytime, drag and drop to reorder calendars. This order matters, because the same order appears on the booking screen when clients select a slot. And that's it! You've successfully added a calendar in Canbook. Now clients can book the correct staff member, turf, or room based on the availability you set. Keep exploring Canbook to make your business management simple and smart. Canbook, your business simplified.